What if your power bank could cool itself, charge 3 devices at once, and look like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie? Meet the Sharge IceMag 3, where design, speed, and smart engineering collide. This is the next generation of portable power, reimagined. Sharge's IceMag 3 pairs a compact profile, just 110 by 70.5 millimeters, with a bold retro-future aesthetic inspired by the Sony Cybershot. At only 220 grams, it's built to be carried everywhere, without adding bulk. The semi-transparent shell gives you a glimpse of the power within, while carefully tuned RGB elements add personality without being distracting. But the IceMag 3 isn't just about looks. It can power up to 3 devices simultaneously, thanks to an integrated braided USB-C cable, an additional USB-C port, and a Qi2 wireless charging pad. The wired outputs support 2-way fast charging up to 35 watts, while the Qi2 pad pushes up to 25 watts wirelessly for supported devices. That means faster top-ups, fewer cables, and less waiting around. Inside, a 10,000 mAh battery keeps your daily essentials powered. Sharge says the IceMag 3 supports multiple fast charging protocols, making it a versatile companion no matter what you carry. To keep performance stable, the unit integrates Active Cooling 3.0, an improved heat dissipation system designed to maintain efficiency even under heavier loads. And when you want to prop up your phone, the built-in folding kickstand locks into place, turning the IceMag 3 into a mini charging dock, perfect for video calls, streaming, or desk setups. The IceMag 3 is now available for global pre-order with a 20% super early bird discount, $63.92, 48.69 pounds, or 65.62 euros. The promotion runs until November 19th and shipping starts December 16th. Stylish, powerful, and engineered for the future. The IceMag 3 isn't just another power bank, it's a statement.